guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, this video is requested by a viewer. Now I'm assuming that you saw my video last week where I do a traditional Jamaican rice and peas with sweet and sour tofu. Now today we're going to do a rice substitute. We're going to do the quinoa and red peas, right, with some nice stew mushroom. Of course, you're going to need fresh coconut because we want the quinoa to have a nice Caribbean flavor. If you want to watch more of this video, please stay tuned and give this video a thumbs up, comment if you like the video, and subscribe to our channel. Let's get straight into this video, guys. Now I've gone ahead and prepare our peas. To this we're going to add scallion and thyme and coconut milk. Also same 1 tablespoon of the coconut oaks. I'm going to add that in it as well. We're working with a nice Caribbean flavor, guys. Alright, we're still going to go in with our bay leaf, pimento berries, like about a teaspoon of green seasoning blend, some salt. We want to get all of these flavors together first before we add our quinoa. Now remember, please wash your quinoa before adding it to the pot. Now the mushroom, you can just slice them in your desired size. I've gone ahead and washed these off with vinegar already. Alright, so to the mushroom, I'm going to keep it pretty simple. I'm going to use a garlic all-purpose seasoning blend. Going to tip a little bit of olive oil on it. As well as some salt. Give that a quick little mix up and just put it aside to just chill out, right? Until we're ready for it. Okay, so now that all our flavors has come together pretty lovely, we're going to add our quinoa. Remember, I'd wash it ahead of time. I'm actually using 2 cups of quinoa, right? So we can just allow that to cook on medium to low heat, not in any rush today. I almost forget the ginger, guys, so I'm going to add it now. Cover it and leave it to steam down. Alright, we're gonna work with some seasoning, so we want the brown stew mushroom to be nice and flavorful, right? We're also going to add to it some string beans. You can play around with your stew. You don't have to add string bean. If you have spinach, you can use it. If you have anything you have that you like, you can, add it to it. I like to use things that are readily available at the market. Alright. So we're also going to add in some carrots. The Scotch bonnet and the piece of ginger and the sweet peppers. We're going to fry up the mushrooms now. Alright, we're going to go in with some olive oil. viewer who requested this. I know she doesn't eat quite a few things, so I'm trying to tailor it as much as how I can. Alright, so we're going to, when the pot is hot, you know, we add the garlic and thing. Okay, to the pot we're going to add our garlic. We're going to leave the mushroom for a few minutes to just soak right through and cook. Alright, 2 more minutes and then we remove this from the pot and work with our sauce. Saute in some scallion, some thyme or onion. You can put a Scotch bonnet in there as well. Some ginger, added in our carrots and string bean. We're going to quickly add our sauce to it now. Let me show you how I make the sauce. Alright, so for the sauce we're going to keep it pretty simple. We're going to use ketchup, some mushroom sauce. If you have liquid aminos, you can go ahead and use it. Just a little bit of the mushroom sauce, like about a tablespoon. Some water. I'm going to use a little bit more. As soon as everything comes together, then we add back our mushrooms, alright? For the quinoa now, let's take a look at it and see how it's coming. Fluff it up nicely. Real Caribbean flavor this, guys. I'm going to remove all of these things. Our sauce is looking so fantastic, guys. We're going to add some bell peppers. Well, alright. Some more scallion and onion just to vibrant up things and make it look fresh. And we're going to go in with our mushroom. We're going to just toss it. Just going to leave those flavors to come together and then we eat our dinner. And this is an excellent Sunday dinner for those of you who don't want any rice, and also for those of you who want to cook the quinoa with bean but don't want to cook like a bean meat substitute. So you can just cook up some mushroom with vegetables and you're good to go, right? And this is an excellent meal also for when you're meal prepping and you're bringing lunch to work. Very tasty meal this to bring. Alright, I hope you enjoy this video, guys. And most importantly, give it a try. Let me just cover it again just for everything to come together and then we see what's going on after. We have a nice fresh salad that we're going to eat our Sunday dinner with. In this we have purple cabbage, avocado, tomato, lettuce and spinach, right? Alright, let me share out some dinner for you guys now. Of our nice quinoa and peas right here. Gonna go in with our mushroom stew. Guys, smells so nice, I'm telling you. Not telling you no lies right here today. Not that I ever did. We have our salad too. Hope you give this dinner a try and you like it. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Until next time, bye.